When you search for dining chairs, everything looks the same. Same shapes, same colors, same claims. But to find out which ones are actually comfortable and durable, you need to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Dumos Dining Chair Set. The Dumos Dining Chair Set of 4 immediately caught my eye with its clean, mid-century modern design and beige color. Priced at $158.96, it offers a blend of style and functionality. If you want comfortable, easy-to-clean seating for your dining area, this is worth a serious look. These chairs are built to last, featuring reinforced frames and high-quality materials. This means you won't have to worry about wobbles or weak joints, which is a common concern in budget chairs. The padded seats and sturdy backrests ensure you'll be comfortable whether you're enjoying a quick meal or a long dinner with friends. Plus, the spill-resistant upholstery is a lifesaver for families. Just wipe it down and it looks brand new. Now, some might say the beige color may not suit every decor, and I get that. But here's the thing. The neutral tone allows it to blend well with various styles, so I think it's a minor concern compared to its comfort and versatility. This is perfect for you if you need affordable and stylish chairs for your dining room or kitchen. Skip this one if you want something with bold colors or extreme designs. For the price, it delivers fantastic value.
Product number 2, Alixis Black Dining Chairs. The Alixis Dining Chair Set of 8 in sleek black, priced at $179.99. The modern aesthetic really caught my attention. If you're looking for a versatile set that fits both casual and formal dining, this is a great option. These chairs are designed for comfort, featuring thick, high-density sponge cushions and a backrest that tilts back 10 degrees. This ergonomic design means you can sit for hours without discomfort, which is perfect for family gatherings or dinner parties. The sturdy beechwood legs add durability, supporting up to 275 pounds with any issues. Plus, the non-slip pads on the bottom prevent scratches on your floor. However, some users mention that assembly can be a bit tricky. I can see how that might frustrate some people, but honestly, if you take your time, it's manageable and well worth the effort for such a stylish look. This is great for anyone who needs a large dining chair set that looks good and feels comfortable. Skip this one if you want a single statement chair instead of a set.
Product number 3, Alixis White Dining Chairs. If the Alixis Black chairs caught your eye, you might also like the Alixis Dining Chair Set of 8 in white, priced at $179.94. The sleek design and fresh color can brighten any dining space. If you're after a modern, clean look, consider this set. Just like the block version, these chairs feature high-density sponge cushions and a supportive backrest that promotes comfort during long meals. The durable materials used, including waterproof and scratch-resistant upholstery, make them easy to maintain. They are perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, which is a big plus if you love dining al fresco. A point of concern for some might be the potential for discoloration over time, especially in high-traffic homes. But I'll be real with you, if you take care of them, they should hold up well and continue to look fantastic. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, practical chair that works in any space. Skip this one if you prefer darker tones or if you have young kids who might be prone to spills.
Product number 4, Mekian Rustic Dining Chairs. Let's talk about the Mekian Dining Chairs Set of 4, priced at $159.99. This set stands out with its rustic wood design and sturdy metal frame. If you're looking for something that feels both modern and farmhouse chic, this might be your pick. These chairs have a unique 118-degree inclined backrest, which is designed to fit your back perfectly. This means you can enjoy dinner without worrying about discomfort. Plus, the thickened metal frame supports an impressive weight capacity of up to 450 pounds, so you know they're built to last. The thoughtful design also features rounded corners for safety, which is great for homes with kids. One downside is that assembly is required, and some users found it a bit complex, but the clear instructions made it easier than I expected, and honestly, the final result is worth it for the quality you get. This is ideal if you love a rustic aesthetic and need a strong, comfortable chair. Skip this one if you're after sleek, modern styles.
Product number 5, Ashley Moraville Dining Chairs. We have the signature design by Ashley Moraville Dining Chairs, a set of 2 priced at $191.39. The classic X-back design and distressed nutmeg finish really stand out. If you want something that adds a timeless touch to your dining area, definitely check these out. These chairs are not just pretty. They're made of wood with a foam cushioned seat for comfort.
The upholstery in polyester adds durability while looking stylish. They fit perfectly in bistros, eat-in kitchens, or any cozy dining setup, so you can impress your guests with ease. However, some customers mentioned that the assembly required a bit of patience. Personally, I think it's a small price to pay for such an elegant design that elevates any dining experience. This is perfect for you if you want elegant, classic dining chairs that are comfortable. Skip this if you prefer a more contemporary style or need a larger set.
So, there you have it. Whether you prefer the clean lines of Dumos, the multifunctionality of Olixus, the rustic charm of Mekion, or the classic elegance of Ashley, each chair offers something unique. The right dining chair can make all the difference in your dining experience, so choose wisely.